There are definitely a few no-nos when it comes to engaging with influencers. First, choosing the right influencer. Make sure that they are local or that they have a chance of visiting your pub, and ensure that the influencer's values align with your pub's. Mismatched partnerships can harm your brand. A lack of clear communication is another no-no. Discuss all expectations up front to avoid misunderstandings. What are they getting for free? What would you like them to do? Remember to always be polite and helpful. And finally, avoid spelling and grammar mistakes. This could instantly put an influencer off working with you, so double check any messages and emails you're sending to them. Let's look at a few more. Make sure that you ask the influencer to make their posts collaborative. This means it appears on both your feed and theirs, which is great for reach. So you can see at the top of this post, it says the name of the influencer and the pub. That is what happens once you make your post collaborative. You'll find a request in your notifications to allow the post to be collaborative. So you can check it first and then allow it to go onto your feed. Don't forget to follow up and thank your influencers. So always thank them for their visit and encourage them to give you feedback about what they thought at your pub.